Welcome back, students, in the computer class. So let's start today's session. Today's topic is internet services. Before starting topic internet services, it should be clear what is internet. Internet can be defined as a network of millions of computers connected to each other worldwide. If you want to connect your device through the world, you can connect that through the internet. Internet is a combination of two words, inter and net. Inter stands for international and net stands for network. So it is international network. To better understand the internet, you can relate that with the road network. So what is road network? Road network is a network of interconnected roads. So similarly, internet is a network of billions of computers. Now let's start history of the internet. In 1969, when man walked on the moon, the US Defense Department set an ARPA for further research. ARPA stands for Advanced Research Project Agency. They designed a network of 4 computers. Through that, they can exchange the information, they can share their data. So this network was called ARPANET, Advanced Research Project Agency Network. Later, many universities were allowed to join this network and share their information. This was the beginning of networking of computers, which grew bigger day by day and gave birth to the internet. In India, the internet services started on 15th August 1995 through a government-owned company BSNL. Some of the popular internet service providers in India are BSNL, Tata, Airtel, Reliance, Idea, etc. These are some ISPs. Now let's start popular services on the internet. There are many facilities available on the internet which make our life better. Some of widely used internet services are as follows. First popular services, www stands for World Wide Web. It is also known as web. It is a web of information system where documents and other web resources are identified by uniform resource locators, which may be interlinked by hypertext and are accessible over the internet. Simply, we can say it is a means of accessing and sharing information over the internet. It contains millions of documents, that is known as web pages. Simply, we can say it is a means of accessing and sharing information over the internet. It contains millions of documents, that is known as web pages, and each web page is linked to the other web page or other pictures, graphics, text or videos. It is possible by hyperlinks. How can we access web pages? We can access web pages through a web browser. Nowadays, World Wide Web is the greatest database of human knowledge that is available online.